this bun is definitely bigger than this bun, so let's just ignore that throughout the video. Hello and welcome, my name's Hannah, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you my first impressions and thoughts on some bits from the new E.L.F Electric Mood collection. I don't have everything from the collection, just some bits that interested me, so if that sounds good to you, sit back, relax, and let's get into the video. So this collection is a collaboration with 3 different international recording artists, Tove, Tiana Major 9 and Peter Zion. I don't have anything from the Peter Zion collection, not because I didn't like anything from that particular collab, but just because the things that I did want to get were out of stock on the website, unfortunately. But I'll show you what I did get and I'll let you know what the prices were of everything. It's obviously a little bit more expensive because it is a collaboration and because it is limited edition. So I have the Illuminating Elixir Priming Serum, which was £14. I have the Hydrating Balm in Sweet Talk, which was £10. I have the Glassy Skin Balm, which was £8. I got the Big Mood Mascara, which is their new mascara, also part of this collection, although I'm not sure if this is limited edition. This was £7. And then finally, I got the Feeling Lucky 18-piece eyeshadow palette, which looks amazing. And this was £16. And then because I spent so much money on the website, I also got a free eye crease brush. So we'll try that out today as well. I think I'm most excited to be trying this, and I haven't touched it, I haven't swatched it, so I am really excited to be playing with this, but I'm excited to be playing with everything, to be honest. So I think I'm gonna start with my eyes because we do have quite a lot of bright colors in this palette, and so if there is any fallout we can just wipe it away rather than ruining the makeup underneath. And let's start with some swatches. I have been dying to swatch some of these colors. Okay, so that is what it looks like inside. Let's swatch some of the purples. So we go with this one, and this looks like a really interesting shade as well. Okay, so those are those ones swatched there. This one is gorgeous, absolutely stunning. That one is a shade Peach Champagne, so of course I like that one. Maybe let's go in with some of the yellows and blues. So let's do this one, this one, this one, and this one. I feel a little tiny bit hard, some of those shimmers, but we'll see how they go onto the eye. So those are those shades here. Again, this orangey one just looks amazing. You know what, I might be boring and I might do some of the browns and the oranges. Let's swatch some more, why not? Let's go with the black. Let's go with this color here, this gold, and I think this brown here. Oh wow. Yeah, that gold is amazing. Okay, well, let's get some of it on my eyes. I think what I'm gonna do first is just put an eye primer on, just to make sure that we're getting the most color payoff out of these. And I'm just gonna put on the E.L.F Putty Eye Primer in the shade, I think it's cream. Yeah, in the shade cream. Okay. So, let me get out this little eyeshadow brush. So I think the first thing that I'm gonna do is go in with the most boring shade, of course, this one here, which is called Latte, and just put that in the crease. There is a bit of fallout in the pan, but I don't mind that, personally. And it doesn't really matter if it's messy because we're going to be putting concealer on and we can always sharpen up this line right here if we have to. So now I've just got a clean blending brush and I'm just gonna make sure that we've got nice seamless edges before going in with the next shade. I like that, I like the shade. It's a nice shade. So next I'm going to go in with the eye crease brush that I got free because it's a little bit more densely packed. You can't see my face because it's a little bit more densely packed, and I think I'm going to go in with Braided Tresses, which is a shade here, and just deepen up the crease a little bit more. That's a lovely shade. looks nice. Again, I'm just going to take that same brush that had nothing on it and just make sure everything is blended together. Okay, so what do I want to do next? I think I want to take the peach champagne color across the entire lid because it is just so pretty. So this shade down here, and actually I'm gonna go in with my finger because I feel like that's probably better. Oh, that's stunning. Okay, so that's what it's looking like so far. I really like this. So I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face and then I might go in with one of these really gorgeous purples under the eye to try those out as well. But this is really, really gorgeous. And this is a palette that I don't have and that is unique for my collection. I'm excited to play with that one a little bit more. So next up, I'm gonna put on this Illuminating Elixir Priming Serum. This says that it is skincare and makeup together, and it is a peachy illuminator to enhance any skin tone that glides across your complexion for the ultimate supple glow. It says that you can put this on before your foundation or you can mix it in with your foundation. So I think I'm gonna do one half of my face with it under my foundation and one half of my face with it mixed in with my foundation. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and actually this is really lovely packaging. It feels like quality packaging, which is nice because you are obviously paying a lot more than you would for usual E.L.F products. And let's just swatch it on the back of my hand. That looks like a nice subtle glow, which is exactly what you want from this kind of a priming serum. So let's put it under foundation on this side and we'll mix it with foundation on this side. This side has it on, this side has nothing, and it definitely has added a glow. I'm gonna put foundation on this side. Yeah, that's definitely added a subtle glow, which is really, really nice. I'm just gonna pump some more on my hand, mix it in, and pop it on the other side. Okay, so let's put a little bit more on because I definitely put more on this side. I also think if you're mixing this in with your foundation, it does sheer it out a little bit, which is, you know, to be expected. Look at my eyes, they're so sparkly and I love that so much. This actually would be great at a festival. This is great festival makeup. I think the buns are also helping with that festival thing. Maybe it's the buns where that's coming from. Okay, so that's both sides blended in. And I think it's looking good, definitely. I'm not sure that any one side is glowier than the other side, to be honest. I think that this adds a nice subtle luminous glow to your makeup, but not too much so you're looking really, really sweaty. I think I'm gonna have to try it out a little bit more just to confirm my thoughts and everything, but yeah, it's looking nice. So now I'm just gonna put on concealer and eyebrows and then I will be right back. Okay, so to finish up the eyes, I think I'm gonna take Crimson Shim. Probably not pronouncing that right, but this shade over here, and I'm just gonna put that on my lower lash line. And then I might take this shade Shy and put it on my inner corner as well. Okay, so change of plan. This shade is not coming off very pigmented, unfortunately. It's very subtle. So we'll go in with a different one under the eyes. We'll go in with Summer Fruit, which is Central Line. Okay, that's much better. Okay, no, we're gonna go with Summer Fruit. I'm gonna make up my mind at some point. Okay, yeah, so Summer Fruit, which is this shade right here. So then I'm gonna put this shade Shy in my inner corner and just under the cheekbone, under the brow bone. Another really lovely, almost glittery shade. Again, really foiled and lovely. Great. So then to finish off the eyes, we'll go in with mascara, and I'm going to be using the E.L.F. Big Mood Mascara. It says that this has an hourglass shaped brush to help lift and separate lashes. Mega volume instant lift. So let's put that to the test. Huge, huge wand. Mascara, no mascara. Not amazing straight away, but we'll give it a second coat and see if that helps. Also, because the brush is so big, it's really difficult to get to that inner corner. Okay, so there we are, top lashes done on both sides. Again, it's not bad, but it's also not amazing volumizing results. Yeah, so you can see on this side they've started to clump together just like a tiny bit. I don't think this is my favorite. I have to say my absolute favorite volumizing mascara, which was recommended to me by Jessica Braun, is the number 7 Full 360 Ultra mascara that looks like this. And this just does a better job in my opinion. But we'll try it out a few more times. Pop this on the bottom lashes as well. Now that's difficult to get to with how big that brush is. It's really difficult not to get it on the under eye when you're doing your bottom lashes because the wand is so big. And immediately I have got it everywhere. Okay, bear with. Okay, so mascara on. As I said, it's not my favorite volumizing mascara. It's okay, it's not bad by any means, but it's just not my favorite. So next, I think we'll go in with the Glassy Skin Balm. This is a translucent glow balm that creates the highly sought after glass skin effect by giving the skin an incredibly glowy and dewy finish. I've never used a highlighting balm before, so this could be interesting. It says warm product with fingers and apply using patting motions wherever you want glow. This is what it looks like on the inside. And it feels almost like a lip balm. That's what it looks like. Very subtle. So let's put this on the tops of the cheeks. Yeah. So the problem with that is just taking off the foundation that's underneath because it is so balmy. Let me have a look at the instructions, which I've now lost them, which is great. Pencil skin can be applied all over for a glossy effect. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not the biggest fan of that. I think it does look glowy, you can see. Definitely glowy, but it does seem to be taking off product underneath, which is not the best. I mean, having said that, I'm just going in with more, which is great. Not so sure about that one, but we'll have to try it on a day where I am just wearing concealer and no other base makeup and see how it looks, because it is giving a nice effect on the skin and it definitely looks natural. I'm going to quickly pop on some bronzer and, oh my god, what's the other one? What's it called? Blush. And then I will be right back. So blush and bronzer on, I am now gonna go in with the last bit that I have gotten from the collection, and that is the Hydrating Balm in the shade Sweet Talk. I already enjoy this formula. I'm pretty sure it's the same formula as the Hydrating Core Lip Shines, which I adore. So fingers crossed this is similar. Okay, so it looks like this, and it's got the same little heart in the middle as the Hydrating Core Lip Shines. And I'm just gonna swatch that on the back of my hand. Subtle, almost orangey pink color, which is my kind of nude, so I'm pretty excited about that. I think it's got like a tiny bit of glitter shimmer in there as well, just to give it a bit more of a reflective shine. So let's pop it on. I think that's coming off. A little bit more pink on the lips, but still really nice. So I think that is everything. I've obviously only tried these things just now, so I'll keep trying them and giving them a go, but my thoughts as of now are I really love this palette. I think it's great and it's really fun, and I think that because the majority of the shades are like nice, bright or glittery shades, it forces you to be a bit more creative, and I think this is a really, really great addition to my collection. The Illuminating Elixir Priming Serum, I really like this as well. It gave a really lovely luminosity to the skin, very subtle, very nice under makeup or mixed in with makeup if you wanted to sheer it out and make it a tiny bit more glowy, but it's not overwhelming, which is great. So I do like this, and I will be trying it a little bit more. The Big Mood Mascara, this is okay, but I have other mascaras that I like more, that volumize a lot more, like this number 7 Full 360 Ultra Mascara, which has one of those hourglass ones as well. This Glassy Skin Balm is, you know, I'm torn on it because I feel like it took the foundation off where I put it, but it is giving a really lovely natural glassy skin look, which is what it's claiming to do. So I think I'm gonna have to try this out on bare skin. I think I'm just gonna have to experiment with this a bit more. The Hydrating Balm in the shade Sweet Talk, I like this, I really like this. I think that it gives a really pretty color. It's a little bit pinkier than I expected, but it's still a really lovely color, and I love this formula. The only thing I will say is that the regular Hydrating Core lip shines are £6 and this is £10, which is a lot more expensive, but it's a pretty shade nonetheless. And then this E.L.F. eye crease brush that came free, can't really complain because it's a really lovely kind of densely packed crease brush. And actually I find it difficult to find brushes that are small for the crease, so this is good. Performed really well. It was free. I don't even think it's expensive to begin with, but yeah, like this as well. So that is everything. If you liked this video, then please do give it a thumbs up. If you liked me, then please consider subscribing down below. I post new videos every single week, and I hope that you have a fantastic day wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.